Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a very quick tutorial on removing a full face of makeup with just some wipes. This is just for, you know, sensitive skin, acne prone skin, for those of you that, you know, can't use such wipes that may have stronger chemicals, if you get what I mean. So all you're gonna do is just carefully remove your makeup, all that dust that you've picked up throughout the day. And then after you've finished removing your makeup, what you're going to do is you can do a quick face scrub, and I will show you what you can use for that. Because guys, you can basically use any face scrub, whether it's simply Body Shop, whether it's from the drugstore, to really just help give your skin a lighter feeling from all the product that it's absorbed throughout the day. You can just do it to your neck as well. And guys, another really good product that you can also use is the Aloe Vera gel. And this is intensive skincare with antiseptic tree oil. And what this does, it helps with stretch marks, blemishes, and any insecurities that you may just have with your skin. And it helps to soothe and purify the skin. And all you do, you apply it liberally to the skin as required, and obviously just avoid contact with eyes. And it's not that expensive. And what you can do is you can apply this to your skin to help moisturize it after you've removed your makeup. And what that will do is, any blemishes, any unwanted marks, any dryness, this will do the job. And before you use this, guys, you're just going to get cold water and splash it on your face. Massage the face. You could do a neck as well. And then you will just simply apply this to the skin when your face is dry, and you just simply just rub your face. this to the skin. And guys, this is actually really good for stretch marks as well. I do use these on stretch marks. Any blemishes you have on your face, this is the perfect product to aid those insecurities. Just let it sit on the face and let it work its magic. Like your eyebrows, you can apply it to your neck as well. And guys, for any product description, please comment below and I'll let you know everything that you need to know, whether it's about skin, healthcare, hair care. Just let me know and I will get that video uploaded for you. Thanks for watching, guys.